Hello. Have you seen the Lenovo Tab P11? This tablet has been available since June. And there are a few things you need to know before going for this tablet. So, in this video, you will find out why the Lenovo Tab P11 Plus is better than the average tablet. The Lenovo Tab P11 is a budget-friendly Android tablet with 2K resolution on the 11-inch screen, which can reach a brightness of up to 400 nits. The LCD panel has excellent contrast and dynamic range, and the large surface is suitable for surfing. The Tab P11 has excellent quad speakers, optimized with Dolby Atmos. Now, let's take a look at the complete spec list for this device. The operating system is Android 10, with an octa-core Snapdragon 662 processor. It has an 11-inch IPS display, with LCD panel. The screen resolution is 2K. It uses a microSD memory card. There are 3 storage and RAM capacity variants. The first one is 64 GB paired with 4 GB RAM, the second one is 128 GB with 4 GB RAM, and the third one is 128 GB with 6 GB RAM. The main camera is 13 megapixel, and the secondary camera is 8 megapixel. There is a nano SIM slot by the side. This device has dimensions of 258.4 by 163 by 7.5 millimeters and weighs 490 grams. It has a battery capacity of 7,700 mAh, which is speculated to last 10 to 12 hours on full display. Here are the pros and cons of getting the Lenovo Tab P11. It provides a high-end performance with the octa-core processor. The 4 GB RAM makes multitasking smooth, without too many hiccups. This tab is a great entry option for everyone, from young kids to adults and business owners. The high-quality 2K resolution display panel delivers sharp images. It supports an optional pen stylus. Now, the cons. There is no fingerprint scanner, so users resort to an average security lock. There is no audio jack. Hence, you can only connect your headset or external speakers through Bluetooth. And lastly, even though this device has a decent touchscreen performance, it doesn't have the fastest refresh rate panel. It is most suitable for casual games.
Thanks for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you next time. Bye.